All right, so this is the new cargo mat for my Chevy Spark. Seems to be pretty good quality. There's the part number. Genuine GM part. So let's pull it out of the bag and have a look at it. So I can already tell just by pulling it out and setting it here, this is a very well-made mat. It's got some heft and weight to it. Let's install it and see how it looks. So here's the original one. It's basically just a small piece of felt. Now the interesting thing is they don't tell you to take out this one. So I guess I can leave it in. I suppose it's not going to hurt anything. So that was pretty simple. Just flopped right in. I don't think any of that really matters. Of course, the big thing now, my toolbox shouldn't slide around anymore. Perfect. Pretty decent.